You may have heard of the company called SOVB, but today let me present it to you in greater detail. SOVB, Société Ouest Vendée Ballet, was founded in 1970. Located in the countryside at Saint-Martin-les-Mers in the Deux-Sèvres department, SOVB was set up on the site of an old tile works, taking over the activity of a small brush factory. This SME manufactures and distributes industrial brooms and brushes to equip road maintenance and public works sweepers. SOVB sells its products throughout France. 30% of the turnover is also made by marketing its products in Europe through subsidiaries and retailers. In France, municipalities and road and highway maintenance offices are the main consumers of brushes manufactured and distributed by SOVB. Private cleaning companies and public works supplement the company's customer portfolio. The SOVB Group also supplies the leading manufacturers of road sweepers. As it has its own fleet of trucks, SOVB delivers its products itself. In the beginning, the first brushes to come out of the old tile works were handmade, but SOVB quickly invested in machines, enabling the brushes to be assembled automatically, and at the same time developed the use of new fibers. Continuing its growth while protecting and enhancing the environment in and around the various SOVB sites located in France, the company became a trailblazer in industrial sweeping. Thanks to its design and research and development offices, it developed the plastic disc and thereby radically changed the tradition of a wooden or iron support. It innovated through the implantation of the fibers by stapling, equipping itself with its first numerically controlled machine in 1985. This first piece of equipment was very quickly added to, and SOVB now has a total of 6 double-station machines for drilling and stapling. Eager to become self-sufficient in the production of plastic washers, in 1991 the group invested in a 300-ton moulding press, and then, in 1995, in the innovative investment of a revolving press with 5 stations, which produces all the various supports for the plastic side brushes, doing away for good with the wood used in manufacturing these supports, wood which came principally from the primary forest of Congo. To meet the growing demand of its customers and to improve working conditions by minimizing the filling of side brushes by hand, SOVB's workshops equip themselves with new automatic machines to fill the brooms mechanically by stapling with plastic fibers or crimped steel. Early 2002, it continued with its technological development by bringing into service 2 new manufacturing units. The first enables SOVB to produce its own flat steel wire with the help of a rolling mill and to automatically insert the steel wire into the brush plate. The second, a cold extruder, steered SOVB toward a new trade and has enabled it to make its own synthetic fibers: polypropylene, nylon, polyester, and rilsan. Today, these 2 units have tripled their production volume through a major investment policy. So, SOVB and its subsidiaries integrate the entire production line wholly independently, from making the brush supports and the fibers, both synthetic and steel, to the final assembly of these components to make the end broom. From its beginnings, SOVB has been proactive in the protection of the environment and in sustainable development. Its production sites are landscaped and integrated into rural areas. They consequently help to maintain and develop employment in rural communities. Within the context of its work, SOVB respects human values, combining manual labour and automated equipment. By not using wood, the rainforest is protected. Recycling plastic waste from the production process, refurbishing worn brushes, and designing brushes that limit the use of chemical weed killers vouch for the company's environmental policy. And the company has also thought of noise pollution at night by producing a brush that sweeps almost noiselessly. Today, SOVB Group's strength lies in its 150 employees, over 6,000 customers, and no less than 5,000 listed products. Today, side brushes have become the company's main activity, and on average, 150,000 units are sold per year. That is why SOVB is the benchmark for road maintenance and industrial sweeping.